I love what I do. Design is my passion, but construction really brings the excitement. There's nothing like taking a set of drawings and then working hard to bring that design to life. This truck smells so good. My guys and I spend a lot of time in these trucks. We go from job site to job site, and I'm constantly running from meeting to meeting. My team and I, we're always on the go. Because of that, my trucks take a lot of abuse. They serve as makeshift lunchrooms and mobile offices, and my guys are constantly hauling materials and debris to and from job sites. That kind of work wreaks havoc on these trucks. I hate it when my trucks are dirty, and I'm always after my guys to keep them looking clean. But what I really can't stand is when I get inside one of these trucks and they smell bad. Now, for decades, Armorall's helped me keep my vehicles looking clean and new. Now, I'm loving their new lineup of Essential Blends air fresheners. They come in two styles, the hanging diffuser and my favorite, the vent clips. They're compact and so convenient. Now, don't let the small size fool you. They pack a lot of punch and they'll keep your car smelling fresh for up to 30 days. They're made with a special blend of essential oils, which means not only do they smell fantastic, they make you feel great too. So no matter how stressful my drive, Essential Blends air fresheners ease my frustration and they keep me feeling calm. Installing them couldn't be easier. Head over to Canadian Tire and pick your favorite scent. Mine is citrus pomegranate. Unwrap the holy grail of air fresheners, pull the tab to release that fragrance, then clip it onto your air vent and say hello to paradise and escape your commute.